for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a Christmas slash holiday glam type of look. I'm gonna go kind of in depth with everything, but I just felt like sitting down and doing my makeup and recording because I want to get as many videos up for you guys as I can. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so I primed my eyes with my MAC paint pot like always, and for eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I have not used this in such a hot minute, and I feel like it's a palette that a lot of people have, and like this is a look that like you can tone down or you can make it more dramatic, but I just wanted to give many options for anyone, and this is a really good palette I think for the holiday season, especially if you're gifting it to someone. So I definitely recommend this palette. But I'm just gonna start with the shade Pooter, which is right there, and I'm just gonna put that into my crease, and then we will see what happens from there, because like I said, I'm not 100% sure where I want to take this look, but we'll see what happens. So now I'm going to layer Mocha first, which is this shade right here, and then I'm going to put a little bit of Central Park and a little bit of the black shade as well, as I think I need to. I'm just kind of gonna gradually build them up until it's as deep or blended as I want. Last shadows I'm going to use is a mix of MFEO and Silk Cream, which are these two beautiful transition shades all the way up there. And I'm just going to mix them together on a fluffy brush and put them above all the other shadows as a good transition, obviously, so that you don't have like that harsh line. Alright, so now I am just going to go in with my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to apply that on all of the area of the lid where there's no shadow, and then go in with this glitter, My World glitter, in the shade Beach Bronze. It just looks like this. It's a very beautiful bronzy tone, which I think will be perfect for this look. I don't want it to be too over the top, and I have done a gold smoky eye before on my channel, so I thought bronze would be a good backup. But I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'm also going to eat some Airheads. And then when we get into the face, it'll be a lot more chatty. So I'm just gonna go finish off my eyes, and then we'll be back. So my eyes are done, but I kind of like spilled so much of the glitter on the floor when I was putting it away. So that's great. But for primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Glow Lotion. I have not used this in a hot minute. I've actually been trying to use a lot more products that I haven't used in a while. Foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way. This is a very expired foundation that I definitely need to throw away. I think I bought this 3 years ago. But I just don't want to get rid of it. And this is going to be so dark on me. This is in the shade Pearl. Oh my god, I'm literally about to be a whole other color, like pale. I got it on my pants. Oh my god, this is so dark. But anyways, today I didn't go to school because I didn't feel like it. Like last night I asked my mom if I could skip school today, and she said yeah, I don't care. And so then I woke up this morning. I set my alarm for like 20 minutes later than usual so that I could see like if getting a little extra sleep would like make me change my mind. Yeah, I thought about it, and I was like, nah, I'm just not feeling school today. And I don't skip often, like at all, but I'm also been having some really bad cramps, which I didn't have this morning, but I ended up having later in the day. So I just needed a day off from school, honestly, and I just hung out for most of the day. And then I had my best friend come over, and her and I just like caught up and talked and stuff because we've not hung out for a hot minute. because we both have a lot going on right now. But her and I hung out and caught up, and it was honestly so nice. Like, I missed her so freaking much. I literally get super attached to people, and then when I don't hang out with them for a while, it's just like, oh my god, like, I literally miss this person so much. I actually look crazy. Like, why do I look like that? I saw my boyfriend for like an hour before he had to go to work, which literally made my freaking day. Like, I love seeing that dude. He makes me so happy, guys. Get yourself a good boyfriend. It honestly has taken me way too many tries to get a good guy, but I'm so beyond blessed. Like, oh my gosh. I don't know if he's watching this right now. He might be. But if you are, I love you very much. And you mean so much to me. He already knows that. But I'm so excited for him and I to do Christmas together. Like, I got him a couple of presents. And, like, they're nothing, like, crazy exciting or anything. But I just love giving people things. I'm definitely bringing this down my neck. This is not okay. But I just love giving gifts to people who I love and care about. I bought him gifts. Oh my god, that sounded so weird. I bought him presents, and I also got 2 of my best friends presents. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer to go with this, because this is in the shade Vanilla. This definitely is too dark of a concealer for me. Look at that. Like, what? Why does Too Faced shades that are supposed to be light look so dark? I don't understand. Christmas. I literally posted so many Christmas videos last year, and just because I had so much time on my hands, I swear to God, I didn't do anything with my life last year. I was such a sad person. Like, if I really think about it, I was such a sad person for so long, and now I'm just that happy little bitch. Like, I love life right now. I'm so happy. You can literally see I'm so energized right now. I don't know why, but we love a happy sister, because being sad is like the worst thing in the friggin' world. Every single person in this world deserves to be happy, and I feel like if everyone was just actually happy, there would literally be nothing wrong with this world. Like, people could get along, there wouldn't be war, there wouldn't be murder, there wouldn't be rape, which I don't fuck with, don't even get me started. But there's just so many things that happiness could fix. It's crazy. Okay, so I powdered my face, and now I'm going to be bronzing with my Too Faced Soleil bronzer. I literally got this so long ago. Like, this is disgusting that I'm using it, but you know what? We're putting it on anyways, because 1, it smells like freaking chocolate, and 2, there's a ton of products in there, and 3, I don't really care because this makeup is not going to be on for very long. So I spritzed my face with a setting spray just because my face feels a little powdery, but I also kind of do have a lot of makeup on compared to what I've been wearing lately. Ish, it just depends. But I'm going to be using my Living My Best Light Delicate palette from Beauty Bay. I know I really liked this during the springtime when I first got it, and I have not used it probably since like the beginning of summer-ish. So I'm gonna go in with Dazzle, since I'm clearly dark enough to wear this shade right now, since I decided to go in with a foundation that is at least 3 shades too dark. I wanted to just say a quick little hello to all of my new viewers, because I've kind of been getting not like a lot, but kind of a lot of subscribers lately. And that's probably one because the fact that people from my school are learning that I have a YouTube. Literally someone in class the other day was like, what's your YouTube channel? So they could like watch my videos. And then last week, someone came up to me in class and they were like, I really like your makeup videos. I was like, what is this? Like, who is she? We have fans? That's crazy, but it's so exciting at the same time. This highlight, I can't get over it. Like, she's beautiful. Okay, so this is the final look. I couldn't finish my video in my bedroom because my mom came home and she's on the phone and I don't want to bother her. So this is the final holiday look. On my lips, I have a ColourPop lip liner, the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Stripped, and a Maybelline gloss on top. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.